Presenting Tensar's InterAx Geogrid. Installation is easy. Clear, grub, and excavate to the design subgrade elevation. Strip topsoil, debris, and unsuitable material from the site. For very soft soils, it is beneficial to minimize subgrade disturbances prior to the placement of the geogrid. Smooth the grade and compact the soils using appropriate compaction equipment. Gloves should be worn when handling and cutting. Unroll the geogrid in the direction that the aggregate will be spread. Overlap the rolls in the direction away from the fill placement so that the aggregate will not slide under overlap. Cut and overlap the geogrid to accommodate curves, manholes, or other obstructions. Tensar's InterAx Geogrid can be easily cut with shears or a utility knife. Before fully unrolling the geogrid, anchor the beginning of the roll in the center and the corners. This can be done by using shoveled piles of aggregate, pins, or staples. Pull the geogrid taut to remove wrinkles and slack. Depending on the project, anchoring may be required at the end of a roll or at other locations to aid with construction. Do not drive tracked equipment directly on the Tensar Geogrid. If the subgrade does not rut under truck traffic, rubber-tired equipment can operate directly on the geogrid at slow speeds. Rock fill is placed directly on top of the geogrid and can be spread easily across the surface. A minimum of 4 to 6 inches of aggregate is needed between tracked equipment and the InterAx Geogrid. Thinner lifts may be considered if care is taken to not damage the geogrid under trafficking of tracked equipment and approved by the specifying engineer. Standard compaction equipment and methods may be used to compact the aggregate over the geogrid. Over soft soils, it is often best to start with static compaction methods. If rutting or pumping occurs during compaction, additional fill or an additional layer of geogrid should be added immediately to strengthen the section. Once the InterAx and aggregate layer have been properly placed and compacted to the design thicknesses, you are ready to proceed with asphalt or concrete installation. With Tensar, you are assured that the InterAx Geogrid system will deliver the superior pavement performance you need for your next project. Contact us for more information or for a site assessment. To learn more about Tensar InterAx Geogrid or our other solutions, please contact us at 800-TENSAR-1 or online at tensarcorp.com/interax.